Thank you everyone who subscribes to my channel. I just wanted to say that, guys, it's not that you hate your life or you hate your goals and you just think, oh, I'm tired. It's because you're distracting your brain. That is why you get tired. The amount of people who tell me, oh, I'm tired. But have you drank water? Like, first thing you get up in the morning, you need to do is you need to drink water. That's the first thing, because dehydration, if you're dehydrated, you're already off to a bad start, literally out the bed. The amount of people who get out of bed and drink tea, or drink coffee, but don't drink water. Like, your body needs water. It was sleeping for 8 hours or 7 hours or 5 hours. It doesn't matter how much you slept, but all that time your body kind of got dehydrated. This is why you can wake up and your lips are dry, or you just go to the toilet straight away. It's like your body's trying to flush out the toxins. Does that make sense? So another one reason why you could be feeling tired is alcohol. Drinking caffeine all the time is what will give you energy crashes. It is what makes you a depressant. Alcohol is a depressant, which basically means it pushes water out of your body. Another one you can do is vitamin D. Vitamin D from the sun, or going out if you live in like a hot country and walking around in the sun, will actually help your body and your immune system. So that's another reason why you could be feeling tired. Another reason you could be feeling tired is you're just fat, bro. Like, you're just fat, man. You need to lose some weight. Having weight drains energy. That's another one. It really does drain your energy. And also, like I said, checking social media too much, comparing yourself to other people, stressing about things that have nothing to worry about, you stressing about things that haven't even happened yet, or worrying about the past, that can also make you tired because you're wasting your energy. You only have a certain amount of energy in a day. So if you waste your energy, on sugary food all the time, or worrying about what happened 10 years ago, or past relationships, or worrying about what's going to happen in the future, that's not what you can really control. All you control is the now, the right now, today, like what you can do today. Because if you're worrying too much, you're thinking too much, you're comparing too much, you're deciding too much. Oh, should I start that YouTube channel? Should I start that music business? Should I start that restaurant? If you're worried about it, you're wasting your time. Instead of worrying about if you should start that restaurant, get in the kitchen and start cooking. Instead of worrying about should you start that YouTube channel, record a video today and upload it today. Get it done. Don't waste your time, because stressing yourself is just basically just your emotions, and you're not even actually doing anything about it. Like, stress doesn't help you. Like, why are you stressing on it, bro? Like, if it's out of your control, it's out of your control. There's nothing you can really do about it. Do you understand? Even me, one time I went on holiday and I overstayed my visa. And I was just like, well, I can't worry about it now. I overstayed my visa. And when I went back to the airport, I just told them that, look, I tried to book a ticket. I couldn't find any flights available. And they told me, okay, well, cool, fair enough. And I'm not even banned from the country. I can go back. So that's my point. Like, I was stressing about it. And when I went to the airport, they said, well, yeah, like I said, look, I tried to book my flight, and generally I couldn't find any flights available. And the woman was just like, all right, fine, like, at least you're in the airport and you was honest about it. And that's my point. Is sometimes people stress over things that are completely out of your control, and your brain starts to get flooded with information, and then it will crash. And normal feels boring because you're overstimulated, like I said, by social media or gaming or food or junk food, sweets, chocolates, crisps. That's why when you eat the apple, it doesn't taste that sweet. It's because your body is used to so much fizzy drinks. Like, it's kind of crazy, because for a couple of months I didn't drink no Fanta. I love Fanta, but I didn't drink any Fanta for like a couple of months. And then when I went to go drink Fanta again, it was so sweet. My body was like, whoa, that's like so sweet. And that's the thing, is that no movement as well. Like, no movement can make you more tired. And it's kind of ironic, like, no movement, you think you're saving energy, but you're really not. Because when you're awake in your bed and you're on your phone, or you're not really moving around, your body doesn't have energy. And kinetic energy, all energy is never destroyed. It's always created. So you need to actually go on walks and actually give you more energy. You'll feel less tired by going on a walk, going on a run, doing exercise is the best thing you can do. Another one is sleeping schedule. I kind of struggle with this one because my sleeping schedule is all over the place. Sometimes I go to bed early, sometimes I go to bed late, sometimes I don't even go to bed, I just do all-nighters. And this is the thing, so that's another one that can make you tired, is because you're not actually sleeping, so your body doesn't have time to rest. And when I mean sleep, I mean proper sleep. Not sleep but you're on your phone, not sleep but you're listening to music, not sleep but you're kind of on TikTok, kind of half scrolling. No, I'm talking like proper sleep in a dark room, no light, no lamp, none of that. Like, proper sleep, because that's so important for your brain, and people just actually estimate that. Another one as well is omega-3 is really important. Like, omega-3 from like fat, like, like fatty fish kind of thing, like fish and chips, or like eating salmon, or eating, something like that. squid or whatever, like, seafood. But even if you don't want to eat seafood, you can just take the fish oil tablet. You can kind of do that as well, or omega-3 tablet or whatever. But if you don't want to do that, you should actually try to put fish in your diet. People don't talk about that enough. People always talk about meat and protein and stuff. That's great, but fish is also really important as well. But another one, like I said, is healthy snacks, fruits, nuts, that kind of stuff is also good for you. So yeah, food, diet, sleep, actually fix your routine and you'll feel way less tired.